Okwekalakaasa Kwabasubuzi mu Kampala, Masaka, Mbale, Jinja, Iganga, Kaliro, buli wamu kutuuse mu Parliament era ngeno kitokota kisaanikire webituuse nno General Museveni alabika agenda gavumenti eganye mulemeredde kuba ekiri mu Parliament si byangu si birungi n'akamu tugendeyo obirabeko nawe obyewulirireko ogenda kumanya nti wetulaga si wangu twesibe bbiri ebigambo byakyuse dda.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker, in the first session of this House of the 11th Parliament, this House resolved that government comes up with a comprehensive, documented taxation policy. And Right Honorable Speaker, as per Rule 220 of our rules of procedure, the executive has to come with the action taken on the resolutions of Parliament. Since the first session, we have not heard anything from the executive. Right Honorable Speaker, this August House has been tirelessly working on the issues of taxation. In the motion that was moved here, we had issues to address, like a deepening and widening the tax base. Right now, Right Honorable Speaker, if every tax to be introduced, for example, taxing in weight and others, is to be put on the same traders, we shall not help the economy from getting money. Right Honorable Speaker, in my communication with one of the taxpayers, traders downtown, who are my friends, they informed me another reason for their demonstration. Right Honorable Speaker, the properties of those people downtown are being taken by money lenders. And this House has been receiving, debating the State of the Nation address year in, year out. And one of the strategic bottlenecks, the high cost of credit, the turnaround time with in commercial banks, all those problems which force traders to go to money lenders and get money, even at 120% interest rate a year. Right Honorable Speaker, I want to request this House that let the executive come up with the progress of the taxation policy, because it solves all the problems these support traders are talking about. Two, Right Honorable Speaker, I would request that this House, since we are undergoing the budgeting process, let us consider capitalizing the public banks so that they can have enough money, so that they can have the capacity of controlling the market, the banking market. Right Honorable Speaker, in the region, in East Africa, Tanzania, public banks are leading the market by 27%. Kenya, public banks are leading the market by 21%. Here in Uganda, public banks are leading the market by only 7%. How are we going to control the interest rate? Bank of Uganda has done its work. It has cut the interest rate to, even when it cut to 6%, the interest rate remained at, of commercial banks, remained at 18%. Now it's at 22. And getting a loan, you have to spend 3 months processing a loan. This forces traders to go to money lenders at 120%. Right Honorable Speaker, I beg that we consider all these issues with the stakeholders to have the APEC to submit.
Thank you. Can I hear from the Minister? There was something raised by Leader of Opposition that you need to answer, including that.
Madam Speaker, on your communication regarding the traders and also the same issue augmented by the Leader of Opposition on the strike of traders, mainly due to the issues of taxation, cost of working capital, the hawking of foreigners and wholesalers, We as government, we are engaged now with the traders. As I speak, we are meeting the Honorable Mwebesa and Honorable Badi, are meeting with Honorable Kasaija and other leaders of the traders to come up with a solution to the issues being raised. And I want to request to this House that, Madam Speaker, we make a statement tomorrow on the progress that we are achieving. But I have no doubt, and should we make a breakthrough this afternoon, Madam Speaker, and the House allows, we'll make a statement this afternoon, but not later than tomorrow. But I have no doubt that this listening government and working NRM government will have a solution to the traders, because we do know how much this affects.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, the clarification I'm seeking from the minister, you see, the biggest challenge with the traders is the new system of tax collection, the Infinix. What do you, whatever you want to say it, you call it, but I've used the mine, which is simpler for me as per the traders. Madam Speaker, my prayer, and I'm seeking from the minister, what do you lose if you first hold this system? A petition is brought, you got the Committee of Parliament, we see where the challenges are, and these people start working. But they will not continue working unless this tax system collection is still on. That's their major challenge. They are saying it's oppressing them. And you as a minister, they have petitioned you. I had the Minister of Finance, Madam Speaker, raising the same thing. Let us first sort this tax collection system, and then afterwards, you sit, train them, and we come back and we have sanity in the traders. Otherwise, they will not continue unless this collection system is not sorted out, because there are a lot of challenges. You cannot get someone riding a border, carrying salt. You ask him for a receipt from that what you are calling the tax collection system. Someone is not having 150 million business, easy returns. Is also put under the same. It's not registered under VAT. You are doing the same. So can we agree on our minister? And I know you can do that. Let us first hold it. Once you hold it, we can study. You meet the traders, other than everything, unless the president comes out. If the president doesn't come, we shall not move. You are killing Mr. Museveni for nothing. He cannot do anything solvable. It's you to do that work.
Madam Speaker, those are the same solutions that we are looking at. And as I said, once the meeting is done, if there's a possibility to make a statement this afternoon, we will, but not later than tomorrow, we will update the leaders of the nation and the country on the progress we are making to resolve the issues of traders. But I have no doubt that we are going to resolve these issues.
Let's have these issues resolved, and let's debate the report when it comes. We cannot, whatever we are doing now is premature. Let's get a report. Honorable Bedi Ping. Honorable members, let's get that report. We had already given instructions to the minister. Let's get the report and we'll debate that report and give our orders on that report. So when do we have the report this afternoon?
The best time would be tomorrow, so that we are able to present a concrete.
So we'll have the report tomorrow at 10.
Tomorrow at 10.
So let's have the report tomorrow at 10. We debate all those issues. And of course, when the issue of Honorable Javira on capitalization of local banks, which one will you capitalize and which one will you leave out? We only have a housing finance, which we have just recapitalized. Is a sorted issue. Let me hear from Lob. For me, I wish you were standing to speak about those taxes.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker, I've got two quick procedural issues. One, you mentioned the son of players who come to yes, but the emergency situation Kampala are closed in Masaka and other parts of the country. I think that let us wait for the committee and finance process, will not be procedurally right, for the executive to talk to us about this situation because it has a huge impact on our economy until that should address. That's what my executive was going to them. So it's concerns and analytic. We don't like for executive figures. And now doing because the way the second issue, so they can be you can roll on them together, Right Speaker. Right Speaker, last week something bothered me in this house.
Zezo ensonga akutumuseni nsikizibiseki zawadi goza Ssewungu n'abakabalala Okwekalakaasa Kwabasubuzi Kuyingide maso Kampala Masaka Mubende Jinja Weru Gulu n'ebifo bya Uganda ebirala byonna Okwekalakaasa okwetodde Okwekalakaasa omusingi omungi omuso omwezi wa kumi kino nsonga weziga bibaseeyo enakuwako nambu kalita mu lujja kuba gavumenti ya General Museveni egenda nabo bakirabye ate wakyalisimbi zikumanyizibwa ate abasuubuzi bamalirira emeko bagamba ekijja kijje ate bafuna ebyafaayo zigwa mu ngeri era nibajjajjaffe nti wafiira omuzira twaba nsiitaano ngero z'abajjajjaffe ewafiira omuzira twaba nsiitaano kandi nebinegeri bitandiseemu tubakimpooze negye nakwera nza okuba tukyako General Museveni gavumenti yeegudde naye bane mu Uganda yadduse mudda no just watch space indira kandi batandika butandisi omuliro gw'okuma mbaganyo mwena bali omukama Katonda nsaba bakumire tujja kuba tugamu ebigambo okubigamba wano bakkiriza gavana n'omuleeka